Hello, hi friends. In this lesson, history MCQ questions for SSC examination. Let us first question. All India Harijan Sangha established in All India Harijan Sangha established in 1932. Answer 1932. Next question. Mangal Pandey was Sepoy at Mangal Pandey was Sepoy at 34th Bengal Native Infantry. 34th Bengal Native Infantry. Third question. First battle of Panipat was fought between Babur and Lodi. Babur and Lodi. Okay. The second battle Panipat was fought between Akbar and Hemu. Akbar and Hemu. Option B, Akbar and Hemu. Who was the founder of Madras? Francis Dane. Option A, Francis Dane. Sixth question. Who is the writer of Geet Govind? Who is the writer of Geet Govind? Option D, Jayadev. Option D, Jayadev. Okay. Next question. Battle of Buxar was fought in Battle. Option B, 1764. Option B. Okay. Battle of Buxar was fought in 1764. Remember, before here we used the in prepositions. Okay. Next question. Swami Vivekananda attended the Parliament of the World's Religion in America in the year. Swami Vivekananda attended the Parliament of the World's Religions in the America in the year. Option. Which option? A, 1893. Option A, 1893. Swami Vivekananda attended the Parliament of the World's Religions. Remember it. Next, ninth question. What is the meaning of Mati Gnana in Jainism? What is the meaning of Mati Gnana in Jainism? Perception through activity of sense organ. Option A, perception through activity of sense organs. That is the meaning of Mati Gnana in Jainism. Okay, next 10th question. Maurya period was from Maurya period 32 BC to 185 BC. 322 BC to 185 BC. Okay. Jatakas are sacred text associated with them. Jatakas are sacred text associated with them. C, Buddhism. Buddhism. Next question. Chandragupta dethroned the last Nanda ruler. His name was Chandragupta dethroned the last Nanda ruler. His name was Dhananandan. Option A, Dhananandan. Okay. Dhananand. Option A, Dhananand. Sorry. Option A, Dhananand. Next. Chandragupta was succeeded by. Chandragupta was succeeded by. How did? Option D, Bindusara. Option D, Bindusara. Option D, Bindusara. 14th question. Sangha dynasty was from. Okay, Sangha dynasty from 180 BC, 185 BC to 73 BC. Okay, Sangha dynasty. Option D. Option D. Okay, option D. Kanva dynasty was from? Kanva dynasty was from option A 73 BC to 28 BC. Kanva dynasty was from 73 BC to 28 BC, which is very important. Okay. Shatavahana dynasty was from option B 60 BC to 225 AD. 60 BC to 225 AD. And the next 17th question, the Treaty of Srirangapatna was signed between Tipu Sultan and the Treaty of Srirangapatna was signed between Tipu Sultan and B. Cornwallis. Okay, B. Cornwallis. Next question. To conquer and annex Peshawar and Punjab, Muhammad Ghazni defeated option D. Hindu Shahis. Okay, option D. Hindu Shahis. And the next question. Todal Mal was a minister of Akbar. He was B. Finance Minister. He was B. Finance Minister. Next. Azad Hind was created with the assistance of Azad Hind was created with the assistance of option C, Japan. Okay.